How to treat sulfur in well water. Have you ever noticed a rotten egg smell coming from your well water? This odor is often caused by hydrogen sulfide gas, which can be produced by sulfur-reducing bacteria or naturally occurring sulfur compounds. Understanding how to treat this issue is important for safe drinking water and to protect your plumbing system. First, it is essential to identify the source of the sulfur. Testing your water for sulfur compounds and bacteria can help confirm the cause of the odor. Once you know what you are dealing with, you can choose an appropriate treatment method. One common method is shock chlorination. This involves adding a strong chlorine bleach solution directly into the well. You will need to circulate this solution through your plumbing system. The chlorine works to kill the sulfur-reducing bacteria responsible for the hydrogen sulfide gas. After adding the bleach, allow it to sit for 12 to 24 hours before flushing the system. Keep in mind that while this method can provide temporary relief, bacteria may return, requiring repeated treatments. Another effective approach is aeration. This method physically removes hydrogen sulfide gas by exposing the water to air, allowing the gas to escape. You can achieve this by spraying water, cascading it, or bubbling air into it. Aeration units are typically installed between the well and a non-pressurized storage tank. This method does not introduce chemicals and has low maintenance costs. However, it may be less effective if the hydrogen sulfide concentration is above 2 milligrams per liter. After aeration, disinfection is recommended to ensure the water is safe to drink. Chemical oxidation is another option. Chemicals like potassium permanganate or hydrogen peroxide can be injected into the water. These chemicals oxidize hydrogen sulfide into solid sulfur particles, which can then be removed by filtration systems such as manganese green sand or zeolite filters. Hydrogen peroxide systems can work faster than chlorine and effectively eliminate the odor. However, these systems requiring a chemical feed pump and contact tanks for proper treatment. Lastly, ion exchange systems can be used. These units operate similarly to water softeners, exchanging hydrogen sulfide ions for chloride ions. They do requiring regeneration with salt solutions and may become clogged by iron or suspended solids, so pretreatment may be necessary. Regular maintenance and monitoring of your treatment systems are important to ensure ongoing water safety. Shock chlorination can be performed in the field using household bleach, making it accessible in survival situations. Aeration may requiring more equipment, but it avoids chemical use, which can be limited in survival contexts. Filtration and chemical oxidation systems are more complex but provide reliable long-term solutions if you have the necessary equipment and chemicals. Always ensure that treated water is properly disinfected to avoid bacterial contamination after sulfur removal. Additionally, proper ventilation around aeration and storage tanks is necessary to safely release hydrogen sulfide gas and prevent buildup. By understanding these treatment methods, you can effectively manage sulfur in your well water and ensure safe drinking water for you and your family.